Hello and welcome to this video on how to find online jobs like affiliate and writing jobs. Online jobs have become increasingly popular in recent years, and many people are looking for ways to earn a living from the comfort of their own homes. In this video, we will be discussing some ways you can find affiliate and writing jobs online that match your skills and interests. Part 1. Finding affiliate jobs. Affiliate marketing is a popular way to earn money online by promoting other people's products. To find affiliate jobs, you can start by looking for affiliate programs on websites like ClickBank, ShareASale, and Commission Junction. These websites allow you to sign up for free and browse through a variety of affiliate programs in various niches. Choose a niche that you are interested in and find products that you would like to promote. Once you have signed up for an affiliate program, you can start promoting the products using your unique affiliate link. Part 2. Finding writing jobs. If you are a skilled writer, you can find many online jobs that involve writing. Freelance writing jobs can be found on websites like Upwork, Freelancer, and Fiverr. These websites allow you to create a profile and bid on writing jobs that match your skills and interests. You can also find writing jobs on websites like ProBlogger and Freelance Writing Jobs, which specifically cater to freelance writers. Another option is to pitch your writing to websites or companies that are looking for content. Look for websites that are in your niche and pitch them article ideas. You can also reach out to companies and offer to write their blog posts or other content. In conclusion, finding online jobs like affiliate and writing jobs is possible with the right strategy. By identifying your skills and interests, looking for opportunities on specialized websites, and pitching your writing to companies, you can find jobs that match your skill set and interests. With dedication and hard work, you can build a successful career in affiliate marketing or freelance writing.